Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm a Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials on Mondays and Wednesdays. And on Fridays I do fabulous drag looks because Fridays are a drag. Oh, in today's video, we're doing a fall look, and this is nothing new. I haven't bought any new makeup in a while, so I'm just using my favorites from Gourmande Girls, one of my favorite brands, indie brand. And we're gonna play with a lot of shimmer shims, multi-chromes, duochromes. I'm slithered with multi-chromes and duochromes right now. And also the Kimchi and Trixie Collab. There's some mats and mice from that palette. So we're gonna be doing it all in glitter and gems. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all new videos upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I also go live on some Mondays. So follow me on social media. All the links are down in the description box, as well as my Patreon group. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this. A little bit of ABH base on, and we're gonna start with Christina's Gourmande Girls Cosmetics palette, and this is Sailor More because it's my favorite black and one of the best blacks I have in my collection. It's a very dramatic fall look. I mean, my look's always dramatic. I just cannot help it. And we're gonna draw. It's like an eyebrow brush. I'm gonna draw a line first. This is a pretty basic look, but the beauty of it is the shifts, of course, and the multi-chromes. Blending out with rouge. This is red. The key here to go in small brushes, with small brushes, like this is just a brush, and I don't have the number of it anymore because it's old, it's scratched off, but it's like a flat but fluffy, and they're all like that. So they kind of blend and they apply color in small strategic areas at the same time, because this is very, very small. So it doesn't need to be blended out a lot. I'm gonna go to Kimchi and Trixie palette, and just because it's new and I haven't used it a lot, so I'm gonna use orange from here, Wild Poppy, Egg Tart, the yellow, maybe just a little bit of green. I think I did use it. I'm forgetting what I used because I just put so much SHIT there, I forgot what I did. So all of these and a little bit of opera cake, because it's like it blends with black and creates more of a fall look. And this is looking very purple now because of the white base, and we're gonna fix it by adding more browns and oranges. So again, I'm gonna go with the same brush and dip into the opera cake first, the brownish color. And now we get more of a fall color. Clean up this brush and use Wild Poppy. I'm pretty much kind of layering them almost over each other because the area is very, very small. That way I didn't add egg tart. Now I've cut my crease kind of basically, and now we're gonna go for the best part, the duochromes and multi-chromes, and I used a lot. I mean, to create this kind of a ombre blend, kind of a halo-ish blend, I used Radioactive palette. This is duochrome multi-chrome by Gourmande Cosmetics, and I used the second one and the most current, and this is Ethereal palette, and it looks like this. I wanted to use as many as possible, obviously, because I just wanted to highlight and feature everything. So I'm gonna start with Emerge, which is like a duochrome golden greenish, and then I'm gonna top this with, oh, did I use Emerge? I think I used Ethereal. Yeah, I used Ethereal. See, I forgot already. I want in the middle to be green because fall colors are yellows, oranges, and reds, browns, but the leaves still have a little green in them, so I want to feature that remaining green left in the leaves. So I'm gonna use this and loosen it up. And then I'm going to go for Merge right like next to it. I love blending multichromes together, multichromes, duochromes. It creates this magical kind of ethereal look. And we're going to continue with Radiance, because Radiance has like a reddish orange and still a little green in it. And I'm gonna blend so good. Look at that. Now we're talking the fall colors. So now we're going to layer. I'm gonna go for Electro Love. And actually I'm gonna go into a Galactic palette as well. I might as well go into all the Christina's palettes. And this one has this beautiful Europa. It's like a orange, green, and pinkish purplish. I mean, there is everything in it. And that's gonna be our next shade. So this is just Electro Love itself. Electro Love is like, I don't even know if it's a duochrome. It looks like a shimmer with like a red and orange reflect. And it's perfect for this tone. Look at that. And now we're gonna layer with Europa, and that's gonna make it even more special. Oh, that is so pretty. And to finish this off, I wanted to use something even darker and deeper. It's not quite in the same color story, but what the heck. It's exquisite. It has like a black base and it has purple and red and something else, greenish, I don't know. It has all kind of colors in it, so this is gonna be plopped right after because that's what I feel like. So I layered a little more primer there, and this is for the black to stick on. I didn't even wipe the shimmer underneath, doesn't matter. I'm gonna go back for Noir with the various brushes. We have bigger space here and smaller. So the small brush, this is like e.l.f. angle brush. This is to create tighter lines. I'm taking Rouge from Sailor and blending with Sailor Rouge a little bit here, just to create a better blend. My eyes are very creasy, so I can't get away with just black line, because they're gonna be creasing and breaking here. So right at this spot over here, I always have to blend with another tone. So this is preliminary blend. I cleaned up a little bit here, and now I put a little base under. I'm gonna go with Screaming LA Girl eyeliner. I'm gonna put the yellow here. This is the best yellow, I'm telling you guys. I haven't found a better waterline pencil for yellow. Look at that, it's perfect. And for the black, I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Side. Alright, so now we're gonna start blending this. I'm going to set this with yellow eyeshadow from Kimchi palette and the black eyeshadow from Christina's, because once you set it, it's gonna stay there forever-ish. No waterline is hard to keep anyway, but at least it's better than nothing. So I'm gonna put the yellow in the middle immediately. And I'm gonna start blending with all the other colors, the orange and the reds, because we want to do it kind of like here, but in a different direction. You know, this is horizontal, this is vertical. You know what I mean. Now I cleaned up under my eye a little more, and now we're gonna apply Kimchi glitter, because we must. I mean, it's an extra look. So I'm gonna use the green glitter. Sorry, it's such a pretty color, and I don't think I used it last time when I was doing a drag look. It has like a gold and green in it. It's perfect. And then this color over here, it's called A La Mode, and that could be the brow bone highlight. And yes, I highlight with glitter because we are extra on this channel. I'm just gonna use my finger and go the pedestrian way. I find like with finger it just takes just the right amount. I just want to create a little bit of shimmer, but not like overwhelming, because I don't want to overwhelm Christina's duochromes. Just mostly here. And I'm going to put Christina's duochrome on the bottom, under my eye as well. And this is Ella Mode. It sticks pretty good without the base, I would say. So I'm happy with Kimchi glitter formula. And I'll put a little bit of Sorry, the green one, just a little bit on top. So I applied some gems and water activated lighter from My Disc Cosmetics, the neon, like a yellow greenish tone, and now we got this fall-like look. So let me do my base and maybe I'll apply more gems, who knows. I'll be right back. So this is a finished look. I put AliExpress lashes because I felt like being extra, and more gems, of course, just a little more gems, just a little more glitter, so I have enough of green with the oranges. I can't stand oranges and yellows together when there is a little bit of green in there. Usually I don't like warm tones, but you know, it looks pretty with green. So for the lips I used Hola Neon. And this is a small indie brand. They're very good, actually. I love the Velvet Liquid Lipstick formula. And this is color Exotic and Foreign. I tapped it with a little bit of eyeshadow from Kimchi palette. And also I tapped it with, you know, I like to layer stuff. I tapped it with Christina's Gourmande Girls Galactic palette. Actually, wait. Wasn't galactic, was it? It was ethereal, and I put radiance and lucent there in the middle and blended this all out. So this is a finished look. Oh, I forgot to mention I used these shades for the highlight as well. The lucent and a little bit of radiance here, and I tapped it with Kimchi glitter from the same Kimchi and Trixie palette. I already put it back. So that same what can I say? Green glitter. Green glitter here, and a little bit on the black, because, you know, way extra on this channel. So yeah, this is my version of a subtle fall look. Just a little something to go to work. 9 to 5 job. I'm just kidding. Anyway, that's my extra fall look. There you go. So I haven't bought anything new in a while, so I'm kind of like, well, I love doing drag, and I think my Fridays are drag videos, the highest viewed videos, and Mondays and Wednesdays are usually like, kind of going down the hill. So I'm thinking about doing only twice a week, like Mondays and Fridays, and this way I'll give you more time to do other things, you know, to have a life. And also I'll put out some Wednesday videos when need to. So that's it. So let me know what you guys think. If you haven't picked this up yet, these are amazing. They're all in different price ranges. The dual chromes, multi-chromes, like a 50 something, but there are a lot of shades there, so it's a great deal. And the galactic is a little less because there's only 6 shades. But Christina Gourmande Girls, every palette that I received from her is freaking unbelievable. And these shimmery shades, I know I have 3 of them because she sent them to me, but it's worth getting them because they're like incredible shifts. And you can look up on my channel. I have plenty of videos of Gourmande Girls review. And support your local indie brand. And she's amazing. The owner is sweet and she's got a great formula. So go support Christina and get yourself something shimmery. And Sailor Moore has the best black. So I have a discount code, Elaina Glam, for additional 10% off. So if you want to use my discount code, you can use my discount code as well. So thank you all for watching. Let me know what you think. Like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified of all stuff I upload. So huge thank you to all my patrons. Thank you guys so much for the support. I love you all and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!